Welcome to the T3 AI series, where TYPO3 meets artificial intelligence.
Select the page where you want to generate the image. Click T3 AI to generate an image. Click on Media, then click on DALL-E. Select the storage location where you want to save the image. Enter your prompt here. Now continue through the next steps. Choose the image style. Choose the image size. Enter the number of images you want to generate. Once done, click Explore Images, save the image. Then click on Close. Select the storage location where you want to add image. Click on Create New Content. Choose the specific element. Click here. Add image. Select the generated image. Now continue through the next steps. Click on Save. As the last step, click on Close.
Thank you for watching the T3 AI series.